Hey everyone, welcome back. We've got some big EV news. So Balingo selects manufacturer and supplier to help build its electric commercial vehicle. The struggling EV startup will work with Roush. Electric vehicle startup Bollinger said it selected manufacturer and supplier to build its forthcoming delivery van. The company will use Detroit auto supplier Roush as a contract manufacturer to assemble its line of all-electric platforms and chassis cabs for commercial vehicles. Bollinger says it will source and provide all the material for Roush, which will then assemble the platform and chassis at its factory in Livonia, Michigan, which is 20 miles from Balingo's Oak Park headquarters. So we've got a statement from the CEO himself. We will be building state-of-the-art vehicles from day one right here in Michigan, said Robert Robingan. Roush has significant engineering and assembly plant history, and we're excited to work with them to provide our commercial fleet customers with exceptional electric vehicles. So this is a quick image of the Roush EV platform for its vehicles. Essentially, they want a platform that they can use to build a variety of different types of vehicles. This platform could be used to build buses, delivery vans, delivery trucks, all sorts, which is not a completely bad idea in my opinion. And this is a look at the Balingo's Motor website. It's quite interesting. They're basically showing off the platform of their EV vehicle. And they are a startup, so they're still trying to figure things out. They're still trying to figure out production, material, manufacturers, investors as well. They need good investors. Balingo's Motors have taken in all its electric off-road truck chops for commercial segments. Using the same robust DNA from Balingo's B1 and Balingo B2, our commercial Class 3, 6 platforms will be durable, dependable electric work beasts. In short, your fleet will be electric wolves in sheep's clothing. All these platforms are turkey ready to rumble quietly. Less downtime for your business and more saving in overall TCO. You can just tell that this is a strong American company just by the way they've written that statement. That is pure American statement. It's also said on their platform that all the platforms are based on singular vision to be efficient, cost-effective, and long-lasting. By developing classes 3 through 6 simultaneously, we can perfect our battery-packed, all above voltage components and rear-wheel drive powertrains to deliver multiple options for fleets across the globe. Interesting, very interesting. They want to optimize this platform to do whatever they want. And once again, we got another image from their website just showing off the platform that they really want to use this platform to do whatever they want. All different sizes of vehicle for different purposes. Even vehicles, even removable vehicles. Even construction vehicles and tow trucks, they want to use this platform to do everything. And to be honest, I'm no engineer expert, but this is one thing that can work as a charm if you get it right. But it can also be disastrous if you get it wrong. But what I can definitely say is that I admire their push for electrification and their radical design to bring one platform to multiple different vehicles in their company. I admire that, without doubt. Balingo burst onto the scene several years ago with a pair of very cool-looking, rogue box-like electric truck prototypes. The 4-door B1, which is shaped like a Jeep wagon, and the B2, which is longer and has a pickup bed. The company later postponed its plan to manufacture electric trucks in order to focus on commercial delivery vehicles. It's the latest EV startup to run into speed bumps as it attempts to build a complicated vehicle manufacturing business from scratch. And it is complicated. Partnering with Roush may improve Balingo's status, which currently has been languishing in the category of startups with intriguing prototypes, but no concrete plans to turn them into reality. In addition to working with established automakers for over 30 years, Roush also helped build Google's now retired Firefly autonomous prototype car and Neuro's driverless delivery robot. So if you are interested in a little catch up on the history of Roush as a manufacturer, this is one of the vehicles that they built for Google. And I think about this almost every day. It's really sad that Google gave up on the electric car dream, the self-driving car dream. They shouldn't have, because look at the market right now. Even Apple wants to get into the electric market. I don't even think Google has a choice anymore. They have to get into the electric market. They can either buy an existing company like Rivian, hint, or they could build their own vehicles. Personally, they should just buy Rivian. But even more controversial, they should wait until the Rivian shares fall even lower than $10 and then buy the company when it's dead cheap, when it's dirt cheap. Rivian is also an American company with their own manufacturing plant, and they're manufacturing SUVs and pickup trucks. They're kind of perfect for Google. So Balingo's delivery e-electric van, which was announced in 2020, is slated to be built on variable vehicle platform that allows for multiple size batteries, such as 70 kilowatts per hour, 105 kilowatts per hour, 140 kilowatts per hour, 175 kilowatts per hour, and 210 kilowatts per hour. This will mean customers will have a variety of range options, prices, and wheelbase sizes to choose from. The front-wheel drive platform will be engineered to fit the classes 2B, 3, 4, and 5. Now, the company has previously declined to affirm a starting date for van's production, citing the search for manufacturing partners. A spokesperson did not immediately respond to the question about when manufacturing will begin. But now that they have a manufacturing partner, surely they will begin production sometime this year, one would think at least. But because of the difficulty of being in the EV market, it could be a lot longer than this. But I guess time will tell. But I'm glad to be reporting on this, so subscribe to see more. Thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate that. Let's have a discussion, and I will see you in my next video.